Hey, Mogi, you can't get any cuter, can you? Little compact cat. Asili, you look beautiful in there. Hello, Mr. Moog. How are you? Mr. Mogi. Mogi. That tail is going. Now, what is Asili doing in there? Amongst the beautiful leaves. Mogi's going up there too. Probably smelling some wild animals that were tramping through last night. Yeah, Gerd, you're the last wild animal, aren't you? Asili, what you doing over there? Oh, he's what? You found a den? Okay, should we go up there? Sure. Gerd, you're like a deer. You just jump through. Asili, this is a nice place. I might join you. What you doing in there? Smells interesting, huh? I think everything smells interesting after a rain. Where's Mr. Moog? I don't know. Hey, Bombi, you came up too, huh? Okay, let's go around this way. Asili seems interested. Oh! There we go. Look at my beautiful boy. Where's Bombi gone? Oh, there she is, my beauty girl. They're looking at me as if to say, you're not allowed in this part. This is where animals go, not humans. I went walking in the forest a couple of times and I got lost. I didn't do it again. There are paths that have been made, but the access is further down the road. Oh, it's about a 20-minute walk. I was going to take the dogs the other day and I didn't have a chance. The rain began. I'll take them as soon as the weather gets nice. Hey, Mr. Moog. I see you. Mr. Mogi. Here he comes. Mr. Moog. Hey, Mogi. It smells so beautiful. I wish that I could share that. Just lovely. Okay, shall we go for a walk? Mommy still has some of those bread cookies for you with cheese. Starving Sheltie drama queen. Okay, let's go for a walk. Good. Let's go for a walk? Yeah? Okay. Oh. I'm so impressed by Gertie's agility. This is beautiful. I think she will be one of those dogs who just never gets old. She will live her life to the fullest. And that way we won't be able to be sad when she's gone. And you, Bombi, you live your life for love and attention, don't you? And there's nothing wrong with that. Bombi. I love you, Bombi. You love me too?